Isang mapagpalang araw po sa ating lahat. Ako si Godfrey Quezon. This is my devotion for today, July 21. And ang topic po natin for today is bakit walang taong neutral or kaaway or kakampi? Pelagius. Pelagius was a 5th century British monk who taught that human beings are born morally neutral and capable of obeying God's command without divine grace. His teachings, later known as Pelagianism, denied original sin and claimed that people can take the first and most important step towards salvation by their own willpower. Because this is a serious error that undermines the gospel. Scripture clearly teaches that we are spiritually dead apart from God's grace, and the salvation is entirely a work of God from beginning to end. Pelagianism exalts man, while the true gospel exalts Christ. So, ating scripture for today is Ephesians chapter 2 verse 1 to 5. As for you were dead in your transgressions and sins, in which you used to live when you followed the ways of this world and of the ruler of the kingdom of the air, the spirit who is now at work in those who are disobedient. All of us also lived among them at one time, gratifying the cravings of our flesh, and following it, desires and thoughts like the rest. We're by nature deserving of that, but because of His great love for us, God, whose rich in mercy, made us alive with Christ, even when we are dead in transgressions. It is by grace you have been saved. So, ibig sabihin po, mali po yung tinuturo ng Pelagius or Pelagianism, na kung saan kaya po natin sumunod sa ating Panginoon, or pinanganak daw po tayo kaya sumunod, pero hindi. We are not neutral. Ibig sabihin, tayo po ay makasalanan na. Tayo po ay sobrang makasalanan even before tayo pinanganak, may kakapanganak pa lang po natin. So, teaching naman natin for today is Pelagianism denies the reality of original sin and human depravity. The Bible teaches that we are not morally neutral, but already dead, deserving of wrath. Salvation is not initiated by man's will, but by God's will and sovereign mercy. Sabihin, meron pong salvation dahil ang ating Panginoong Jesucristo chose to limit Himself and to sacrifice Himself. Hindi po dahil sa ating ng mga tao na kumbaga tayo po ay may kakayahang sumunod sa ating Panginoon. No, hindi. Kasi lahat tayo ng pinanganak ay sobrang makasalanan na. At hindi po talaga natin kaya sumunod sa ating Panginoon. So that is why we need Jesus Christ to entrust our being, to entrust our life to Him. Kasi siya nga po ay nagbibigay ng buhay na walang hanggan, at siya po ay nagiging tulay natin upang tayo po ay accept sa heaven ng ating Panginoon. So, ngayon lang po